Hi everyone, we're going to do a solar heat problem. A mirror is shaped like a paraboloid of revolution, and it's going to be used to concentrate the waves of the sun at its focus. Right here is the focus. And basically, if the mirror is 20 feet across at its opening and 6 feet in depth, that's your Y. So this is your X and your Y. Where will the heat source be concentrated at? And this is going to be, if we set this on the axis, this is going to be 0, 0 right here. And so half of 20 will be 10. So half of 20, we're going to have 10 on this side and 10 on this side if this is your Y. Put Y there, and this would be your X. So basically we're going to set it up as it opens up. So this is going to be X squared equals 4AY. And then we're going to see the points here are going to be 20, or no, not 20, but 10. So that's 10 comma 6. And this point here is going to be negative 10 comma 6 if we have it set up like this. So anyway, we're just going to use this one, and we're going to find our A. So basically we have X squared, which is going to be 10 squared equals 4A times 6. So we get 24A equals 100. So therefore A is 4, I get the wrong thing, equals 4.17 feet. So that's 4.17 feet along the axis of symmetry. And here, what axis of symmetry means is the parabola reflects over the y-axis. Okay, that's all. The next one we're going to do is reflecting telescope. Bye-bye.